Hello guys! I found a lot of various reviews of GoPro Hero 7 Black camera on YouTube. Some were great, some not so I decided to do one my own and see what do you think. I have started using GoPro in 2018. I sold my Sony HDR PJ 810 Full HD camera and bought GoPro Hero 6 Black. At first I was disappointed with stabilization, but later I figured how to improve and get steady shots. Sony had optical stabilization while GoPro had electronic stabilization, and that was the main issue with the last year GoPro Hero 6 Black. However, I found that GoPro in general is more useful than my previous Sony Full HD camera, as I could bring it wherever I go, including swimming. That was really fascinating new experience. The quality of camera was good, but stabilization and some color and sound distortions existed. Then came GoPro Hero 7 Black and all issues that is GoPro Hero 7 Black. So all the issues that I had with GoPro 6 Black were sold. Actually, GoPro promoted this camera as such. At the first glance, when I bought this camera, I noticed that it is much worse than GoPro Hero 6 Black because of these plasticky parts that are really horrible when compared to Hero 6 Black. So the material used is, I think, cheaper than material used on their previous camera. Some parts are improved, like these parts here. They put some non-slippery material. Also, despite that the camera is now in real black color, as you can see, I prefer the previous color of GoPro Hero 6. I really do. But the functionality is really improved. The functionality of GoPro Hero 7. So let's see the footages I got using this camera. Hypersmooth stabilization is really fascinating. There is visible difference to GoPro Hero 6 Black when filming directly from hand. However, it is less visible when filming using mounts. As I mainly record in 4K, I was delighted to see that the Hypersmooth stabilization is available for 4K. This is video from my stick. You can see that it is more stable than from the hand. I'm still using Hypersmooth video. Okay, the sun is now behind me, so the picture is better, but I just testing the stability and the hyper smooth. Still from my hand. The path here is full of rocks, so if there are any destabilization of the video, that is due to this terrain. Today is a beautiful day, so GoPro 7 Black is extremely good for such daylight. You see how video is stable when I'm standing in one place, not moving, not walking. This is Varadin bridge that leads to Petrovaradin's fortress, where exit festival take place. This is stabilization from my stick. From walking, so there is slight movement. This is Museum of the Revolution, now History Museum. This is playground for dogs. This is Museum of the Association of Vojvodina to the Serbia, Kingdom of Serbia, in 1980. So it passed more than 100 years. The architecture. This is actually pre-Second World War architecture of Novi Sad. The old buildings somehow survived the Second World War. Here is the Danube Park. And on the right side is the center of Novi Sad. You see how stabilized picture. So that's the museum from the front side. And there's Museum of the Revolution, and the Danube is right there. This is flat video. Actually, GoPro video using the flat color, and the same I will now compare to GoPro. And now you can see the GoPro color set for the GoPro Hero Black 7, so you can clearly see how much better colors are, and this video is actually ready for use. The sound on GoPro Hero 7 Black is also way better than on GoPro Hero 6. I found no need to use external microphone, while there were need to use external microphone with GoPro Hero 6 Black. Super Photo is the most advanced still photo feature even on a GoPro. You can use auto or high dynamic range, HDR. I prefer using HDR always, and you see why from these photos. The GoPro will adjust photos to external conditions. If recorded object is moving, or in the case of low light, HDR might not be a suitable solution. For dark scenes, Super Photo Auto option will use a sophisticated noise reduction algorithm called multi-frame noise reduction. Thank you for watching. Keep track for more videos soon. Please subscribe.